Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. Today we'll talk about how we can be very good in mathematics, because most of the people think that um, maths is an inborn skill and it cannot be learnt. But the truth is, anyone can learn mathematics, anyone can be very good mathematics. Only thing is, the strategies you should know what is required to be good. So today we'll talk about different strategies which will make you to excel in mathematics. So directly I'm going to the tips. Tip 1: do all the homeworks. Do not ever think that homework is a choice. It is the most important way that the students practice and master the concept taught in the class. Set up a regular time and a regular place for doing your mathematics homework, then you will feel automatic doing every day and finishing every day. Second tip is, try to attend all mathematics class. I know there may be some problems sometime, but try not to miss mathematics class, because maths concept is based on one another. That means if you cannot follow one concept, then it will be very difficult to follow the next concept. So you miss previous one, then it will become difficult for you to do it today and as well as tomorrow. 3. Make a friend to be your study partner. Why? When sometimes you may be missing some class, so your friend who will take the good notes, he or she can help you. At the night you can call him or her and you can collect what has been taught. Sometimes he or she may make you understand the concept, so that you will be continuous in learning. This is very good practice for the real world, because we are building a positive relationship. Fourth is, establish a good relationship with teacher. When you are your secondary school, you must be noticing that there are so many classes, students in a class. The teacher may not give you the individual attention. So what to do? It is important for you to distinguish yourself during the first week of the school or the class. Introduce yourself to the teacher. Let your teacher know that you are interested in her class, and welcome the opportunity to learn. Ask the question and show that you are paying attention. Parents should also introduce themselves, maybe by mail, maybe by message, so that the teacher will understand that these parents are caring. The teachers respond best to the students who show that they care about the class as well as the teacher. Fifth point, analyze and understand every mistake in the classwork copy, in the homework copy, in the test. Whatever you have done the mistake, try to understand where you have made the mistake, or don't just let it go. It is very important to fix the mistake and understand why they are made. Otherwise, we are doomed to repeat again and again. Take time to figure out thinking behind the mistake and figure out how to do it right. Ask the teacher if you are unclear. Sixth point. Sixth point is, get immediate help when you are stuck in. If you realize that you are feeling difficult or you cannot understand the concept, then take the help of your parents, take the help of the teacher, and don't feel bad to ask again in the class. You may be thinking that teacher will get angry or teacher will make you embarrassed in the class in front of the students, but not like that. Most of the teachers are very receptive and they respect each and every student's query. Seventh point is, don't swallow the questions. Not only you got the answer and it is finished. don't keep the doubts or your unclear concept to yourself. You share it in the class. Your you will find that some of your friends may have the same doubt. You may ask in the class, you may take extra help so that it will be clear, especially in the word problems. When to make into an equation, the children feel difficulties. What we do sometimes, we do that we just find the answer without understanding the question, but understanding the question line by line, word by word is very important. And students become weak only when the question is in statement, or we call story sum. So when if the teacher is clearing your doubt, that is okay. Most of the teachers do that. But if you feel that teacher is very busy or not willing to clear your doubts, then you may ask your parents. They may talk to the teacher, they may talk to the administration, or they can arrange you something alternative. Next is 8th point. For mathematics, basic skills are very, very essential. For example, what is 9 times of 6? So immediately you can recall, or you can reciprocate. This is your 54. To be successful, we need these basic skills. So for that, multiplication table is very important, and they are the basics of mathematics till your college age. If you know how to practice, then it's good. If you don't know, then you can use some computer program, you can use some flashcards, or many other techniques are used nowadays to know the basic skills. You can use that. Next is point 9. Here I am coming to algebra. Algebra must be mastered by you. It is observed that most of the students are good at mathematics in primary level, but when they come into the secondary level, when concept of algebra started, many children they gradually withdraw themselves from the mathematics. But we stick to it, try to understand, because algebra is very, very important and crucial skill for your later mathematics. Students must master the skills like solving system of linear equations, graph, slopes, and radicals. And the last point, don't use calculators unnecessarily. If you are using the calculators, then try to understand the concept behind it, what calculator actually doing in back of you. It is not enough to know how to use the calculator, but you should need to know what is the answer means. We should ask ourselves what the calculator is doing and try to analyze the calculator work. So these are the different tips you can follow, or these are the strategies you can follow to be good in mathematics. So maths needs your regularity, maths needs your consistency, and maths needs the hard work. Then it will give you the success. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.